Welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to print an authorization form. Filing an authorization form is a crucial step to obtain access to a client's tax information from the Canada Revenue Agency. An authorization form will be needed to be filed whenever you are filing a tax return for a client for the first time. Let's begin by logging into your TaxTron Web account. Once you're in, go to the list of your T1 clients and open the client profile for whom you'll submit the authorization form for. Once the profile is open, look for the Authorization section at the top. From the drop-down menu, select the individual for whom you're printing the authorization form for. You'll be taken to a new page where you need to answer some questions. Confirm if it's a new authorization, if you're canceling an existing one, or if you are a legal representative, and the level of authorization you are requesting. After providing the necessary information, click the Print button to generate a copy of the authorization form for your records. Make sure your client signs it before proceeding. Only after it's signed should you click the File button. Alternatively, you also have the option to send the authorization form to your client for an e-signature. Please note that this feature requires you to have an e-signature license. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the option to use this feature. Verify the required fields with your and your client's name, email, and phone number and click on the Request Signature button. Once the form is successfully signed, you will be able to download a PDF copy for your records and print it if needed. Now you're ready to click on the File button. A new window will open displaying terms and conditions. Confirm that the authorization form is signed by your client or their legal representative. It is important to note that you will need to retain the form for 6 years as the CRA may request to view it. Congratulations! You have now successfully learned how to print and file an authorization form in order to gain access to a client's information from the CRA. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.